Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 19 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT from our good old friends over at Hachette. So folks, if you'd like to build this iconic madmax car with me, 1/8 scale, follow this link here. That'll take you to the Hachette website where you can take out a subscription for this wonderful, wonderful model. So what are we up to today? Let's have a quick shufty through the magazine. Stage 19 is the left door. Got 2 more panels together with the window winder arm and a rest. And that is where it is going on your Ford Falcon, folks. Yes, it's the passenger door is what we're doing today, because this is a right-hand drive car. This is all the concise details here on how the inner arm goes in, all the screws needed, how everything is fitting together on your Ford Falcon. All the trim panels going in on the door, little baby winder handle. And then obviously it's telling you to check the operation of the window, that it works correctly. Simple, concise instructions, parts just clipped together, and then this is our completed assembly, folks. So we'll have both doors done. You then got custom made at work in California there, looking rather splendid there. Different styles of cars. This is a chopped 35 Ford. Beautiful colour. There you go. So that's the magazine done. So we'll scoot back and we'll grab our bits and pieces and we'll start a bit of assembly for you folks, okay? Right, we got our door from our previous issue there, folks. So we'll just have that resting up there and we'll grab our little panel. You got a little pin and a little ear hole poking out that the screw's going to go in. So it's just going to go in the trim like that. And then we'll spin it round and we'll bring the screw in. And it's already been oiled. So we can just screw that straight in like that. Job done. And then this is going to press fit in here, okay? Just like so. Like that. So that's that in place. And then we'll grab our little handle, just like so. And that's going to go just in the bottom there. You've got a little woodruff key moulded in there. You can see right down there. So we want to line that up and get that pressed in. Just like so. And the key's going to wind in just like that. And that's what we want there. And again, just check that your window winds up and down, which it does. So we're happy with that. And then we want to grab this piece here with the rounded corners at the bottom so that they match this. And then they're going to go in place like so. Just like that. And that'll give us a completed door, which is what we want at the end of this issue, folks, okay? So don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow this link here all the way to the Hachette website. There's a clickable version below in the description, and you too can be building your very own Ford Falcon, folks, just like this. Look at that. Oh. Don't forget, at the end of the build, just check that your window works. Now this will then be put in its protective bag until we fit it to the car, folks, okay? Also, to help me out, just click little fastikins in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. Whilst you're there, ring the bell. That helps me grow the channel, keeps you notified of future content. Until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.